Boeing is planning to pitch its latest F-15EX fighter jet variant to the Indian Air Force under the MMRCA fighter jet program, and Boeing has also sought an export license from the US government, which will allow Boeing to discuss F-15EX program with the Indian officials. The F-15EX has a maximum takeoff weight of 36 tons, which is similar to Su-30. The F-15EX can also carry up to 22 air-to-air systems, and has a payload capacity of 13 tons under its wings and fuselage, which is more than the payload capacity of Rafale fighter jet of only 9.5 tons. Top experts have said that Boeing has projected a unit cost of $80 million for its F-15EX variant, and India would prefer to procure F-35 stealth fighter jet at that same price, or Su-57 fifth-generation fighter jet at only $40 million per aircraft. The biggest factor is that the F-15EX will cost $29,000 per flight hour, as compared to $9,000 of Su-30 fighter jet. India has started manufacturing parts for Rafale fighter jet, and some of which could be used on the 36 Rafale fighter jets ordered by the Modi government in 2016. The first set of parts have come out of the Dassault Reliance Aerospace facility in India, and the joint venture firm is planning to scale up production of Rafale parts in the coming months. India has finalized two major deals worth over $3.5 billion with the US, including 24 MH-60 multi-mission helicopters for the Indian Navy and 6 Apache helicopters for the Indian Army, and both deals are expected to be signed during the upcoming visit of US President Donald Trump next week. Top officials have said that India will pay an initial 15% installment for the MH-60 helicopters, and the first batch of helicopters will be delivered in 2 years, and all 24 helicopters will be delivered by 2024. The CEO of Brahmos Aerospace has said that the feasibility studies and engineering analysis of the new next-generation variant of the BrahMos system have been completed, and it have been found that it can be perfectly integrated into Tejas fighter jet, medium-weight fighter and AMCA 5.5 generation fighter jet, and the Brahmos-NG will be fully ready by 2024. He also added that a new BrahMos air-to-air version with anti-AWACS capability can be developed, and it will have a range of 500 kilometers. Airbus Helicopters has offered to open multiple new production lines for its helicopters in India, as India is running 3 separate procurement contests for a combined total of over 250 helicopters. Airbus has offered its H-225 to the Indian Coast Guard for its 14-unit requirement, and its H-225 and AS-565 Panther under the Naval Utility Helicopter and Naval Multi-Role Helicopter programs for 111 and 123 helicopters with local assembly. Turkish aerospace industries has said that after a good communication between the Turkish and US government, Turkey will acquire the necessary approval from the United States in the next 2 months that will enable the sale of 30 T-129 combat helicopters to Pakistan, and this $1.5 billion deal will be the largest single export in the history of the Turkish defense industry.